Hello, curious explorers. Have you ever wondered why the trees around us wear so many different colors in the fall? One day the leaves are bright green, and the next they're glowing with red, yellow, and orange. It's like nature's grand art show. But what's really happening to those leaves? Let's find out together. During spring and summer, leaves are full of a special green chemical called chlorophyll. Can you say that? Chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is super important. It helps the leaf make food for the tree using sunlight, air, and water. This amazing process is called photosynthesis. It's like the leaf's own kitchen, where sunlight is the chef. The chlorophyll not only helps the tree make food, but it's also what makes the leaves look green all summer. Now, when fall comes, the days start getting shorter and cooler. That's the tree's signal that winter is coming soon. Because there's less sunlight, the tree starts to slow down its food making process. It doesn't need as much energy anymore. So, the chlorophyll, the green color, starts to break down and fade away. And when the green goes away, surprise! The other colors that were hiding in the leaf all along start to show. Inside every leaf, there are three special pigments. That's a fancy word for color makers. One, chlorophyll, makes leaves green. Second, carotenoids, makes leaves yellow and orange. Third, anthocyanins, make leaves red and purple. In summer, the green chlorophyll is so strong it covers up the other colors. But when the chlorophyll fades in fall, the yellows, oranges, and reds finally start to shine through. Like nature lifting a curtain on a hidden rainbow. Now that it's colder, trees prepare to rest during winter. Keeping leaves takes a lot of energy and water, and that's hard to get in cold weather. So, trees let go of their leaves to save energy and protect themselves. Before dropping them, trees pull back as many nutrients as they can from the leaves, like packing snacks for the winter nap. Then, the leaves fall gently to the ground, becoming crunchy carpets and turning into nutrients for the soil, helping new plants grow next year. So, the next time you walk under a colorful fall tree, remember every red, yellow, and orange leaf is part of nature's smart plan. The colors are not just pretty, they're signs of change, rest, and renewal. The tree isn't saying goodbye, it's saying see you next spring.